Okay, Assalamualaikum, welcome back. So this video will explain on how to create exploded assembly drawing. Okay, so previously we already done our part, assembly part. After that we do some exploded view to our parts, as well as we also know on how to create a drawing for each part, each body part. Now we want to do a assembly drawing. Okay, assembly drawing part. So of course, first thing first, you need to open up all the document, especially the drawing template. Okay, so for drawing template, open drawing template here. Open. Okay, so by using this template, you just need to edit the information inside this template. Or okay, how to do that? You just right click on the sheet format, edit sheet format, and now the line will appear the blue lines. So when it appear with the blue color line, then you can edit the info here. Just double click the box and then change to your name, design by, for example, and then check by, right, just write my name here, double click, okay, and then drawing title, exploded flange AC assembly drawing. Okay, if the title is too long, just enter here. Drawing number, let's say you just put here number 1 with using scale 1:1, and then for unit, of course, mm. Material, I don't need to put anything. Sheet, I just put here 1 of 1. Okay, so settle, just click exit here. Okay, now we are going to import our assembly exploded view. HSC. Okay, so then just click isometric exploded and drag it into our drawing template. Okay, now it seems to be too small for this template, so we can custom the scale here 1:1. Okay, and then next we have to add the bill of material. This is a must for exploded view drawing. Okay, click view, click annotation, click tables, and click bills of materials. Okay, so then click OK. Just put it on your drawing block here. Okay, so now we have to adjust the size of the table. Okay, make it smaller so that it is just nice on your title block here. Okay, so now okay, and then right click to this arrow. Sorry, click to this arrow, and then it will appear this block, and then you have to click here table header top. So now the table is header top, but we have to put it table header bottom. Okay, so this is our setting, standard setting, so that when you want to edit or you want to add your parts in this bill of material, then you can easily add up here. Okay, so that's why we prefer header bottom. Okay, so now with this numbering, then we have to label here. So how to do that? We just click the under annotation, click auto balloon, then it will appear followed by the number. Let's say the number 1 here is flange. Okay, make it inside the area. Okay, number 1 is flange, number 2 is 10, and so on. Okay, then click OK. That's it. Thank you.